So folks, this is the final result. My wife has managed to assemble the table fully. She's done, and this is how it looks. Voila. What do you think? She did it all on her own without the help of... I helped a little bit, but she did most of it.
What? Do you understand yourself?
I helped a little bit. I made my small contribution. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. It's a 5-piece dining table. Now it's time to put the cloth on.
Push. Hey, you go for the thing again. I'll kill you. Push.
This is the final result, and everything looks good to go.
Push it to the side. Why?
The
You can't.
chairs, like I showed you guys in the other video,
I said
they're all done, and we have our dining table ready for enjoyment in the kitchen, you guys. All thanks to Wifey.
Oh God, thank you.
God, I also thank you for giving me a very handy, industrious wife that I have.
Hey, you see?